Did you know that your air conditioner could be secretly harming your health? Your AC does more than just cool your home. It also impacts indoor air quality. You need to have the unit regularly cleaned so contaminants don't build up inside it. There are two popular ways to have your aircon professionally cleaned: a chemical wash and a chemical overhaul. How do we choose between the two? Let's compare them both so we can decide better. First, let's go over the chemical wash. This process is more thorough than basic filter maintenance. Technicians use specialized cleaning solutions to break down grime and sanitize the aircon's coils, fan, and drainage system. This eliminates allergens, bacteria, and mold. As a result, you have fresher, healthier air in your home. Regular chemical washes are great for preventing too much wear and tear in your AC. They also keep your unit efficient at cooling your space and saving on energy bills. Now, how about chemical overhauls? This process is much more intensive than a chemical wash. It also includes an in-depth inspection of the air conditioner. The technician may also do repairs if needed. During an overhaul, your AC unit will be dismantled. Its parts will be individually cleaned to remove all the dirt, debris, and other contaminants in them. Then, these components are checked for damages and other signs that they need repairs or replacements. Bearings and other moving parts are lubricated so they keep working smoothly. Meanwhile, the drainage system is treated for any leakages. So which cleaning process should you choose for your air conditioner? If you just want a regular deep clean to keep your unit efficient, go for a chemical wash. But if your aircon hasn't been professional cleaned in years and might need repairs, choose overhauls instead. For best results, always work with a professional to avoid risking your AC. Kung Fu Helper is always here to help, so give us a call anytime you need your units serviced.